The next advanced setting is the clone setting. This setting is designed for people who are importing new data often and want to quickly format the settings to match something they previously created. To access these more advanced display settings, go to your list of layers, then select a layer, and at the top select the Settings tab, then scroll down to the bottom of the Settings tab and select More Settings. This will extend the list of settings and display the advanced ones. Using this, you can change the above settings to match those of another layer in your map. It will not copy any of the data from the other layer, it only copies the settings. So when we come in here, we first have to select a map. So for you, your list will be shorter. I just happen to have a lot of maps. And then I'm on my fire hydrants layer, and so I want to clone this to a previous fire hydrants layer that I created. There it is. So hydrants. Display settings have been set. So now we can see my symbol's been changed, a few other things have changed. It's a lot quicker than having to go through here and manually set them all myself again.